The Chrysler and Seagram buildings are two of the more well-known buildings within New York City. Today in this video we will be discussing facts about them and comparing similarities and differences in their styles. The Chrysler Building is an Art Deco style skyscraper located on the east side of Midtown Manhattan in New York City. Its construction commenced on September 19, 1928 and was completed on May 27, 1930. The Chrysler Building was designed by architect William Van Allen for a project of Walter P. Chrysler. It stands at 319 meters high with 77 floors, including a lobby that is 3 stories high. It is the tallest brick building in the world and also comprises of steel. The building was declared a National Historic Landmark in 1976 and a New York City Landmark in 1978. And an interesting fun fact about the Chrysler Building is it held the world's first digital clock in its lobby.
The Seagram building was designed by Mies van der Rohe in 1958. Mies van der Rohe was well noted for his representation of classical and Gothic architecture seen in his work. As he advanced, he started using more modern materials and aesthetics. When the Seagram building was built, it was a statement that the modern era of architecture has started. This building helped start the era of buildings that embraced their structure and minimal geometry instead of being lavishly decorated. He wanted the design to bring out the character of the building. He believed in the term less is more, and this was evident in the Seagram building. The exterior was carefully designed to have what Mies wanted to express. The bronze in the facade was used to express that the frame was underneath. The facade is made of glass, metal, heavy stone, and brick. With the use of modern materials, it became a prototype for future office buildings. The facade shows non-structural bronze I-beams. The structure is hidden within the glass and bronze. The plaza in front of the building shows the building is innovative. It creates open space for pedestrians.
Hi, my name is Harkaran Singh. I'll be talking about the Seagram building and the Chrysler building, both of which started in the 1900s and were made by two very popular and successful architects. The Seagram building, which was designed by Mies van der Rohe, had intentions to make this building as an office building because he never created an office building before. Once it was built, it was used to regulate a liquor company. In fact, it was Canada's biggest liquor company and was very successful at the end. The whole building is made out of bronze, which is very rare for a building to have because bronze oxidizes very fast due to the weathering. So to solve that, Rohe had the building oiled at least once a year to prevent color changings in the bronze metal. The Chrysler building, on the other hand, was very successful too because of the amount of decoration Walter P. incorporated. Walter was always a hands-on craftsman and would never shy away from innovation. Something he was very popular for was that since he was designing a building, he wanted to make sure all the small things, all the tedious things about the building when he was building it, all of them should be top of the line or very sophisticated. As a result, the ventilation system, elevator system, and even electricity in the building all was done with the right minds and precise labor. He was also known for the amount of decoration he incorporated into the buildings. Some of the things he incorporated in the building was oak walls, wrought iron chandeliers, and the most iconic was the triangular lights at the top of the building. Both Rowe and Chrysler had a very sharp eye for modern artistic sites. Both of them made modernism extraordinary, and because of them and other architects, rapid industrialization and technological changes and developments were created during their era.